Alright, couple things to do today. So let's finishing the ESP preview. What the fuck? Okay. What the hell is this? Why is there like a stud thing? That's new. All of this is new. But that's actually complain about. Because now I can easily make stuff the size that I want it. Okay. Alright, let me remember where I got to last night. Okay. That's everything I got done. So it's just gonna be chibs, which is not gonna be fun, but shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. Alright. It's gonna take fucking forever, but I'm gonna try. That's almost perfect, actually. Okay. No, not border color, but border size pixel equals 0. There we go. That's what I was meaning to do. You can actually get rid of 2 of these. Right leg and left leg. And that'll save me a lot of shit. See how that does. Okay, definitely too wide. Oh wait, no. Too wide and too long. Looks like still slightly wide and definitely still too long. Okay, a little more down, looks like, so 0.6, and then slightly less wide. Okay, right in the middle there. And slightly longer. Okay, that looks like it covers pretty well. I wonder how it'll look if I move this up. Okay. Let me actually move that down again. It's a little random, but that's fine. I mean, it fits pretty well, so. I wonder if I did 56 and 21, how that would look. That's perfect. That's beautiful. Now I just need to get the arms and then we're good. So it should be about half the length of the torso. Lengthwise, it should be 0.25. Widthwise, it should be the same, 0.3. Positioning-wise, it should be, if that's right there, then we're gonna want it at about like 0.5, 0.2, maybe? 2.1. See how that looks. Wait, 2.1's gonna be at the same level as the head, I just realized. And I also just realized that I do need it to the left as well. 0.31 or something, and then 0.25, I don't know. Okay, so that's too big, too tall. So let's try 0.2 for this size. That looks better, but just move it down by like 2.4. Almost thick. Did I turn the thickness up before by accident? That's wild. I don't know how I managed to do that. Oh, I turned the length. Changed the length. That's why. Okay, we're so close. Just move it up and left a little. slightly more up and out. I mean, that's pretty close. Or no, I didn't mean to do that. 38. Yeah, 37, 22. I think that should be perfect. What? Then isn't it too high up? Yeah, it's very ever so slightly too high. I wonder if that'll fix it and make it perfect. Alright, yeah, that's perfect. As far as I can see. Okay, now I just need to do this and then take all this. Right arm. What is... Oh wait, no, that was size, not position. So 0.78. Okay, perfect. It's done. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Did I ever set up... I never set up the box ESP fill. I have a box fill color, right? I do. So now ESP preview, box ESP fill. There we go. And now I just need to make it color changing and then set up champs to turn on. Okay. Beautiful. That's very nice. I like that. I've done a good job. Now it's just the champs. Beautiful. Oh, there it was. Right there. Okay. So now I have to just make the opacity update, which is this right here. I can just do that under the refresh chams. Refresh chams, ESP. I think I'm done. So we turn on shams, turn down the opacity, and then change the color. Okay, everything is working. And then I'm just gonna make the head shams smaller. So that's gonna be way up here, right there. Sham head. Dot position 0.22, size 0.19. See how that looks. That's good enough. That's as good as I'm gonna ask for. Okay. And now we got an ESP preview so we can see what our ESP is going to look like. The black shams, it's clean. I like the black shams, it's very nice. Turn up the opacity a little bit. Yeah, it looks beautiful. And it's just the aim bone ESP. And then we're good. Ah. Hello. Max 420. Never lose from Roblox. Working on it. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm gonna add. What was I gonna add over here? Potentially like third person bind, and then over here I was gonna add something. I completely forgot what, or even if I just said it. And then I'm gonna add teleporting to the console save position and load position, which will be super easy. Okay. Okay. Time to do the aim bone ESP. Or maybe I won't do the aim bone ESP. I don't know. Wouldn't be too hard to do. It's just finding those positions is going to be insanely annoying. That's literally the only thing. Alright, let me finish that before I even bother with the other shit. So, over here. Under ESP preview, close button equals insert new text button ESP preview base. We already have the aim bone made. I just need to aim bone. Wait, what is it called? Asset. And then ESP preview down here. ESP preview aim bone dot name equals gen string, and then ESP preview aim bone dot image equals ESP preview aim bone dot size equals udem2.new 0 equals vector center. Position equals u2 to noon, 0.5, 0.250. Transparency equals 1. Okay, let me just slap that on and see how it looks at least. It's not gonna be fun to get it all working, but it is what it is. Okay, that's fine where it is. And then let me go do the close button as well. SP preview close button. Button name equals gen string. Dot anchor. Need a close button, do I? I'm fine with leaving that how it is. No, I'll make it. I'm not gonna be lazy. That's all I need to do, I think. Alright, let's see how that looks. Interesting. Ah, it's all the way down there, that's why. So that needs to get set to 0. And then that should be set to So wait, how long is this thing? It's 400 pixels, so 375 pixels is where we actually want it. That should make sense, right? My math isn't off, correct? I'm not that slow. I am not that slow. Beautiful. But actually, I'm going to change it to 20 by 20 and then do it to 380 instead. Just so that it looks correct. And then text scaled. Nope. ESP preview close button. Dot text color 3 equals whites. Now we have that for the future. And that looks fine how it is. It's beautiful. And then I'll get back to working on aimbone ESP after I make the close function. So ESP preview close button dot mouse button one click connect a function, and we're gonna say ESP preview base dot visible or equals false, not dot false. Since it's just a close button anyway. Beautiful. Okay. I successfully made a close button. And now I just need to do one more thing with the aimbone ESP, and then we're good. Okay. Almost 4,000 lines, and by the end of this we're probably gonna have 4,000 lines. So next thing we're doing is aim bone ESP color. There we go. And then ESP preview aim bone dot background color 3, or no, dot image color 3. Image color 3 equals colors dot aimbone ESP color. There we go. And then we just do that there and there, and then we should be good. Beautiful. Okay, so now for the positioning of it. Let's say aimbone, aimbone. Okay, start legit one. Aimbot team check, aimbot key, aimbot smoothing. So you need to go down to start legit 3 here. Aim bones. There we go. ESP preview aimbone dot position u dot new ESP preview aimbone beautiful. That's what I need to do. Okay, let me see if that looks correct in general. Okay. Whoops, wrong side. I was right the first time. Wow. Don't know how I managed that. So that's on his right arm. That one's on his left arm. That one's on his torso. Instead of 0.5, I'm going to do 4.5. And instead of 3.5, I'm going to do 0.3. Hopefully that looks good. Beautiful. Okay, 3.25. That's what I want. Or 3.3 should be fine. Three, 4. Three, 4, 5. Okay, 3.5 it is. Did I make them backwards on like that? I did, didn't I? Oh, I didn't even realize that they needed to go more down, not more up. Oops. So 3-6 should be correct. And then this should be like 7.5. And then 0.6. .4. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, there's no way I did it backwards. I'm refusing to believe that. That's beautiful though. We're done with the, or we're almost done with the preview. I just need to make it enable and disable based off of that instead of how it is now. Okay. Alright. So positioning is perfect. Now I just need to make it disabled by default, which will be right here. So, oh no, it's gonna be way down. ESP preview. Okay. False. Aim bone toggle. ESP toggle. There we go. Okay, so if settings that aimbone ESP preview aimbone dot visible equals true, else same thing, but instead we're gonna do false. Beautiful. Okay, so it should be perfect now. Do we hit 4,000 lines? Probably not. 3930. Wow. That is very beautiful. And we can customize the color of literally everything. That's crazy. I can't believe that I pulled this off. Alright. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, now time to add a couple more things. Save pos and load pos. So we're gonna do saved pos equals nil for teleport, and then new line. Okay, so now we go all the way down here. Else if statements, new line dot text equals dash save pos. do saved pos equals local player dot character dot c.